Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Thinking Tech. From breaking barriers to connecting borders, technology is reshaping the world in real time while revolutionizing the way we live, work and interact while enabling equal participation for everybody in our digitally connected society. In today's episode, we are going to be looking at innovative solutions and digital advancements that make our world more accessible and inclusive while empowering people to live their best lives. Let's jump right in. Accessibility, inclusivity. These terms might just seem like buzzwords that you see quite often on the internet these days. Terms like these do not mean helping people with disabilities. It means creating a better world for everybody irrespective of their abilities. It also means nobody is left behind because of their differences. In a world that's increasingly reliant on technology, accessibility and inclusivity are more crucial than ever. It means making apps, devices, websites, and content usable by everybody. Think about it. Inclusivity means a person with a disability can access the same information, same social media, same online shopping platforms just as easily as anybody can. Inclusivity is all about breaking down barriers for people from different backgrounds. As such, assistive technology can range from simple tools like screen readers for people with visual impairments or more complex devices like robotic limbs or prosthetics for people with mobility impairments. I think it's safe to say technology is all about breaking down those barriers, connecting people and amplifying their special voices. The founder of the World Wide Web said, "Accessibility is not a nice to have, it's a must have." According to the World Bank, nearly 1 billion people have some form of disability, and that's nearly 15% of our global population. In a race to make technology more accessible and inclusive, low-code application platforms and open-source softwares have become trailblazers. It's now very easy to make your product adapt to every user and not just the average user anymore. These technologies simplify application building processes and allows you to create any application that you want with minimal coding knowledge. This approach offers pre-built components, templates, and drag-and-drop interfaces, which significantly speeds up the development process while reducing complexity and the time taken to learn and write code. And it's not just that. These tools and technologies help people from diverse populations, regardless of their educational background or resources, create something great, something useful, and something magical all on their own. For instance, simplified website builders help artists, community organizations, and even small businesses create an online presence, democratizing the digital space. That being said, this does not mean that we have to do away with traditional forms of application development. Whenever there's a place for innovation and inclusivity, there's a potential for collaboration between traditional developers and low-code enthusiasts to create something magical and create more comprehensive solutions. Traditional developers have the skills and software to create really sophisticated application programs. However, they might be bogged down by their own workloads or the effort needed to write code. Low-code enthusiasts, on the other hand, can easily and simply build applications with minimal to no coding knowledge. And this is where the true magic happens. Traditional software developers can offer their skills, vision, and expertise, and low-code enthusiasts can take care of the final implementation. This speeds up application building, lowers costs, and creates more user-friendly applications. This means that there is a wider range of opinions, perspectives, and ideas that are being brought to the table. This leads to more innovative and creative solutions. After all, IT democratization is all about breaking that barrier to entry in the tech industry. What does that mean, you may ask? This invites more people from underrepresented groups to participate and have a say in technology creation, which leads to a more diverse range of perspectives being used and represented in the tech industry. This is important because diversity in tech leads to more innovation and problem solving. It also helps create a more welcoming and supportive environment for everybody involved in the tech industry. As technology continues to evolve, so will the possibility for inclusivity and accessibility. We can expect to see new and innovative solutions in assistive technologies that help people live fulfilling and independent lives. And finally, we can also see more and more businesses and organizations adopt digital accessibility standards, which help us create a more inclusive world for everybody involved in our digital space. And finally, we can also expect to see more and more businesses and organizations adopt a digital accessibility standard, creating a more inclusive world for everybody in our digital space. And that brings us to an end of another episode of Thinking Tech. Are you interested in delving deep into the world of technological advancements? If so, please join our community to receive recommended insights straight to your inbox every month. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our e-magazine Digital Life. Until next time, bye.